automatic buy sell call generator. Daily in live market, it will give calls like a signal. Now Tuesday market October 17 after 135, red color candle open, sell call generated. As you can see that open point is our entry point line. So that red color candle, that straight white line from red color candle, our entry point line. Below our 100 point first target, 200 point second target lines, that straight lines. Okay. Above line is the stop loss line. Daily, it will give calls like signal, green signal, red signal, like that. It will give calls. It's an automatic process. So it will automatically give these calls. How you are watching the video, you are going to watch this chart daily basis and get the call. So you can place the order in your broker account. Today after 135, we have received this sell call at 44,580. First target is 468, more than a 100 point target. Second target is more than a 200 point target. Like this daily, it will give these calls like a signals. So whatever the script you want to see, you can change the script and you can get the calls. Okay. In first three candle, 50% of target achieved, more than a 60 point momentum. After 30 minutes of momentum, it successfully break out the first target range. In a single candle big momentum, it strongly break out the first target. Like this today call generated and break out the target. If you want to subscribe for this chart for chart plan detail, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.